Hey everyone, this is Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited because I have a package from Trinity Stamps, and so I wanted to do a quick little unboxing for you all. It's not a ton of things, but I was super excited to get them. It's a ton for me, I think. So, oh my gosh, look at all the goodies. That place is so cool. So here we go. Trinity Stamps, thank you. Your support of our small business means the world to us. And I hope this package of crafty fun makes your day extra happy. It does. We have included a little bonus gift for you as a way of showing our appreciation. Tag us in your unboxing photo or your Trinity Stamps project, and you could win a surprise gift package or gift certificate that are awarded every month. That's awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at all the fun things. They threw in some candy, and I will be eating that very soon. Cannot wait to eat that. That's a big sucker. Yummy. All right, so here are the goodies. So this is the little extra that I got because I didn't order that, but I'm happy that that got thrown in there because look at that. That's beautiful little like champagne. It says strawberry and champagne, and it has the little different sizes of sequins. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Look at that. This is the How You Bean acrylic coffee beans. So they're a little bit thicker. But that would be fun in like a shaker possibly, or just to like put on something that you might hand deliver. It might be a little bit harder to mail, but I love that. If you have not checked out Trinity Stamps, like their embellishment line, it is so cool. There is so much in there. So here's another one. Look at this. This is the Slumber Party 2mm round sprinkles. Oh my gosh. And then here is the Carousel Cupcake sprinkle mix. I love those colors. Check it out. Love it. Okay, so, and then you're going to see why I ordered these things. Because I got this Sweet Surprise stamp set. This Giganto Cupcake was just calling my name, and so I had to get it. So it says, it's a day for cake with extra sprinkles. This Let's Celebrate, which is big. That would go across, let me see. That would probably go across, yeah. That would be big enough to go across the whole front of an A2 size card sideways, and it would just fit on there if you did it, not horizontally, vertically. So that is big and beautiful. I like that. And then it has, you know, all kinds of little sprinkles, some candles, hearts, just little doodads. And then here is the matching die. Look, it has the matching, like you can cut out the Let's Celebrate. Love that. It also has that you could cut out sweet separately. Oh, that's cool. And then this is another one. So you could have it, it's a double layer. And then of course the giant cupcake, and then there's a banner, and then we also have Celebrate. So love that. That is fantastic. So that'll go well with my little sprinkles. Then I got this a Latte Love stamp set. This has all the different words in there. It says I love. You got birthday, and I like how they're like different fonts too. So sending, you got some little coffee beans and some hearts, some separate ones, some outlines, and then some solids. Then whole and you, thanks, in, wishes, love, warm, and then there's an S, latte, est. So you could put like warmest, or the S could go on the end of hug, like hugs in a mug, or just say, you know, just if you just wanted to say hugs, and I like that. So hug in a mug. Look at that. And then sending hugs, or sending a hug. So you have options. I really like that. And then I also got this one. This one is called the Folded Hug. It says this is not a card, it's a hug with a fold in the middle. And I just thought that was just too precious not to get. And if you hear clicking in the background, it's because my husband's playing games, so we're sharing the office today. And then my final thing that I got in the order was this giant coffee mug card standalone die set. I have always wanted one of the dies out there that makes like a coffee mug or a frappuccino or something like that, and this one I just had to get it because it also has the matching, like, put a gift card in there. You wouldn't have to use that if you didn't want to, but it's cool that it's there. And it's also neat because you could put that in any card. You know, you wouldn't have to just put it in the coffee mug card, so you could put that into any one of your cards that you make just on the side, you know. And then here, like, let me show you what I'm thinking. So you could very easily just, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, but I'm a visual person, so. All right, so you could very easily, like, let's just take a card, or not, if I can find one. I think I would with all the cards I make. All right. So let's just take this one. Not this, yeah, this one. No, not this one. Oh goodness, just for the sake of showing you. So what you could do is you could just have it cut out and just on the side here, you know, and then you could even decorate the panel. Oh my gosh, that's a great idea. So instead of having your little chimp like this card, you could just put them on this if you really, really wanted to. So that way when they pulled out the gift card, there's a little something there too, if you really wanted to. And then you have your little message on this side. But obviously it goes really well with the coffee die card that you can make. So I love that. And then that, you know, will be the whole, almost the size of an A2. So it'll obviously fit into an envelope just fine. And if you just wanted to use the coffee cup onto an A2 card, you certainly could do that too. So that's nice. I like that. And then you also have just this little piece that could go on the outside as you're opening for your coffee mug. So I like that a lot. All right. So there, if I could just get it back in the packaging. There are all the goodies that I got from Trinity. You're definitely going to be seeing these, but I just wanted to show you really quickly, mostly because I think their stamps are just adorable and their embellishments are just too cool. I mean, I think that's one of the things that definitely makes them stand out. I mean, other than just their adorable images, you just got to go check out their embellishments. So I'll have everything that I got linked down below in the description box. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those down in the comments section. If there's something in particular that you'd like to see me use first, go ahead and leave that in the comments section. And I will have everything linked, as I said. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And as always, I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye, everybody.